Hey everyone, this is Niri back with another Linux desktop customization video, and today I will show you how to customize Fedora and Niri. So I'll show you how to get Niri on Fedora and make it look like this. And before I show you how to get this set up, so let me just quickly show you the end product, the end results. You will see that there on the top left corner there are all of these buttons. So first button will open up the U launcher and you can search anything, let's say Firefox or anything, and the second one will get the Conky widget and audio visualizer. So let's say if I play something, all right, so if you play a song or anything, and it's going to show the title at the bottom, and it is a button as well, so you can press on it, it's going to stop the play, and you can press on it again and it's going to start. As you can see that the visualizer is there, and you can tap the button again or click the button again and it's gonna close that. All right, so after that I have these three buttons. So the first one will open up the Firefox browser if I click on it, and the second one will open up the file explorer, and the third one will open up a floating terminal, as you can see. So I can move it around and like that, and if I press on the button again, it's gonna close the terminal. And on the right side at the top right corner, if I click on the volume, and it's gonna show the volume control, and there's Bluetooth, so you can set it up, turn on Bluetooth, and it's gonna show a little notification, and you can press the button again and it will close Bluetooth. And then the CPU and RAM information, if you click on it, it's gonna show a little system monitor information, and there we have the Wi-Fi. So I can click on it, go to activate a connection, press enter, and it's going to show all the available Wi-Fi's. You can connect it through that. And after that, if I click on this date, it's going to show the notification panel. And then we have this power button. I can restart, log out, or power off, and click on the button again, it's going to close it, or I can press escape and it's going to close. And then at the right bottom corner I have this workspace switcher. So it's going to show the workspaces. So if I go to new workspace, open another window, and it's going to expand, and I can switch workspaces like that, and it's going to highlight the current workspace. And on the left bottom corner I have the taskbar, and if I click on this, it's going to take me to that window. That is it. Now just look at it, guys. It is very smooth. I love this. And you can go to a different workspace, and all the setup that is here, this won't take much power to process. And if you're using a high refresh rate for your monitor, you're gonna have the best experience, and trust me, guys. And this is very smooth. Closing the app, and this is how Niri works. Very smooth, guys. And let me quickly show you the key bindings that I have. So I can go to the file explorer by pressing F2 on my keyboard. So I have put the key binding like that. So if I press F2, it's gonna open up the file explorer. I can press Ctrl H to it's gonna show me the hidden files, and then I can go to .config, then Niri, and then config.kdl. And here you can just simply search for binds, and then go below and look for the section called binds, which is this one, and inside the brackets you will see all of these bindings. So here you can change it, you can put whatever you like and customize it. So these are all the bindings. So pressing the F1 will actually close a window for me, and press F2 to open a terminal, F3 to open a file explorer, and F4 to open the Firefox browser, and F5 will get me the U launcher where I can search anything, and then F6 will show me the power buttons. All right, let me show you another thing. So if I search for Firefox and go to this window rule, and here you can make it true, open maximized. So this way, if you open up Firefox browser, it's gonna take up the full screen on your monitor. Or if you can make it false, open maximized false. So if I open another Firefox, it will only take half of the screen. So you can change it like that inside the config.kdl. So that was a little tip before I show you how to do the whole setup from the beginning. So there's that. And let me show you one thing, and that is if you go to the U launcher and click on this settings icon, and then go to extension, and over here you can, if you type ChatGPT default engine ID over here, so type ChatGPT all lowercase, or you can just copy it from here and paste it over here and save it, close it. All right, after you do that, open up U launcher and type AI space and then whatever you want to search for or ask anything to AI ChatGPT. Let's say what is AI, press enter, and it's gonna take you directly to ChatGPT, and you can just press enter and it's gonna show you the results. So yeah, you can use AI from U launcher like that. So let's just start this customization, and thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for getting the membership. As I always say, I cannot thank you guys enough, because this helps me a lot, guys. This helps me a lot to keep going, because this type of setup takes hundreds of hours to make, lots of tweaking, lots of CSS stuff and all. And I will really appreciate if you support me by getting the project file and getting membership. You can get the lifetime membership, or you can support me on a monthly basis. And if you get the lifetime membership, I have already uploaded over 50 customization documents or dot files, and I'm going to upload more in the future. So if you get the lifetime membership, you're going to have access to all of them, what I've already uploaded, and you're going to have access to all of the future ones that I'll be uploading in the future. And or you can just get this one if you just want to try this one, so you can get that as well, and help support the channel and support me, support my work. I really appreciate this, guys. I cannot thank you guys enough. So thank you so much. So let's just start this customization. And if you're a complete beginner, I made the customization like that so that you don't get overwhelmed. If you are a complete beginner in Linux or in this type of setups, Niri or something like that. So yeah, guys, you can follow along and you can take it and then tweak it and make it, and you can do some changing afterwards. Let's say if you don't like the top bar or anything, you can actually change it. The configuration files will be there inside the project file, so you can do that, but you're not gonna be lost. Let's say you are doing it for the first time and you have never used Linux and you want to try it, have used Linux other distributions but not this one, Fedora or this window manager, this new window manager. So you're not gonna get overwhelmed. So that is why I prepared this project file for you guys, so that you don't get overwhelmed by the whole thing, so that you just get everything ready and then tweak it from there. But first of all, you have to get everything running, right? Let's say all of these functions, Wi-Fi and all, because in the beginning it is kind of harsh. I'm going to admit that. So yeah, guys, enough of talking, and I apologize for that. And there will be not much work in the terminal because I have prepared the script for you guys, which is going to take hundreds of hours to figure out. Let's go to the customization. Alright, so I'm in Fedora right now, and this is the freshly installed Fedora desktop. And so the first thing that I will do is go to my project file. You can find the link of the project file down in the description of this video. And again, guys, thank you so much for the support. So let's go ahead and extract the project file and then go inside the project file, and you're gonna find this downloads link text file, and then I will just simply open a Firefox browser and then simply copy the links. So let's go ahead and copy this themes link to the browser, and then I can close the text file, and then over here, Groovebox theme, scroll down, and I'm looking for dark medium borderless, and this is the one. Okay, so make sure to have this one, and then download the icon pack. Click on download, and over here click on download again for the icon pack. So these are the two things that I will download, and nothing much. Alright, so after I've done that, let's go to the downloads and then quickly extract it, and then extract the icon pack as well, and wait for it to extract, to complete extracting. So it is showing a little progress bar. So just wait for it to finish and then I'll show you the next step. Now let's go ahead and open a new window, and over here click on this drop down menu and then click on show hidden files, and then right click on an empty space and click on new folder. So I'll create a new folder called .icons, create, and then another new folder called .themes, and then I can delete this zip files, and then I'll simply go to .themes and then drag and drop all of these themes folder inside .themes, and then do the same for .icons as well. So I will go inside this icon pack and then drag and drop both of these inside .icons. Okay, now let's go to downloads and go to my project file again, and this time I will just simply run everything.sh. So this is the script which took me a lot of hours to gather all the packages informations, which packages to install, and I put them all inside this script. So this will install all of the packages that we'll need to make the setup or customization happen. So let's go ahead and simply open a terminal and then go to my project file. So let's just simply show you how you can do that. I can just directly go there, or let me just break it down. So if I type ls, show all of the available folders or directories. So alright guys, so let's go ahead and type cd downloads, and then I will go to my project file, which is this one. So I'll type cd worm to go inside that folder, and then here I have to run this script. So first I'll make it executable, chmod +x everything.sh, and after I make it executable, let's just run it. So to run it, type /everything.sh, press enter, type my password, and it will start installing all of the packages for us. So this will install Niri as well, and all of the other packages that I will need to make the work easier for you guys, which would take hundreds of hours to figure out if you're a complete beginner, or even if you are using Niri for the first time, or if you have already used it and want to apply the customization, you can do that as well. So this is gonna take a few minutes. This won't take much time, maybe 3 or 4 or 5 minutes maximum. So let's just see. And also, after you get the project file, you can always go through this script. You can open up the script on a text editor and go through it and check it for yourself, check it out for yourself, that what is inside, what are the packages that I am installing. You can do that. Press Y over here and press enter. So guys, always make sure to first download the themes, the icon pack and the theme, and then put them inside the .icons and .themes, and then run the script. So don't run the script first. You have to run the script after you have put the themes and the icons inside .icons and .themes, or else it's not gonna apply some of the settings. So yeah guys, make sure to run the script after you do that, then you're good to go. So as you can see that it automatically applied the icon pack for me, and I didn't do any settings manually. Alright, so this is done. It didn't take much time, so I can close the terminal now and close this window as well, and then I'm going to just simply restart. And at the login screen, I'm going to select Niri and then type my password. So yeah, so let's go ahead and restart. Alright guys, so at the login screen, I'm going to select my username and then select Niri from the right bottom corner, and then type my password and then log in. Alright guys, so we are here. We have successfully logged in, and as you can see that it has already applied most of the settings. So this is our U-Launcher. Now here, let me show you how we can do a little bit of settings. So as you can see that this is Firefox and it's not looking that good right now. So I'm going to change that, go to extensions and settings, and then I'm going to search for group box, and I am looking for, all right, let's go to the second page. Let's go ahead and install this one. So basically you can install any of this, whichever you prefer. Okay, so you can install any extension you want, and after that go to Firefox settings, scroll down, you can go to custom, or you can go to automatic, or select dark, or you can go to custom and manage colors and go to text. You can select any text. I'm just showing any random text right now. You can select the plus sign, maybe select this color, and for maybe this one, but I don't actually recommend using custom because it messes up with lots of pages, but it looks cool. So you can do that, or you can change it to automatic. All right, guys, so that is how you can customize the Firefox. And after that, I am going to do what is so press F3 to open up the file explorer, or you can just press this button over here. And after that, let's just do some customization over here. Hide the status bar, the menu bar. I can press Alt to bring back the menu bar, then hide the main toolbar. Okay, and then press F9 on your keyboard to hide the side panel. It looks clearer this way, and I don't actually use the side panel most of the time. So this is our file explorer right now. This is how it's looking. And by the way, guys, it might look a little bit choppy, or that is because it is losing some frame drops. That is because of the screen recorder I'm using. But if you're installing it on a real machine, it's super fast, super smooth, and if you have a higher refresh rate, this is amazing, guys. I can just describe you. So you can change the Wi-Fi using that, which I have already showed you. And the next thing that I will do is customize the terminal. So if I press F2, it's gonna open up the terminal, and I have another terminal over here, which is a floating one. So to customize that, let's go to downloads and then go to my project file, and then open up this fish text file, and let's go ahead and actually edit this one. So go to preferences, hide this one, this line, and this line to give it a bit more cleaner look. Now open a terminal and use your 3-finger gestures to swipe left to move it around, or swipe right like that. And then after that, I'm going to simply go inside fish first. So you have to go to fish shell first, and then I'm going to install all my fish themes. So just copy and paste it inside your terminal, and after that I'm going to simply install omf install bob the fish, and after that I will actually make fish as the default shell by copying and pasting this line of command, which is this one, and set up some fish grading. So I can just simply copy this whole thing and paste it inside the terminal, press enter, and then simply save it like that. So we're done, and finally just copy and paste this fish folder inside .config. Okay, so we are all good. But one thing that I'll notice, if you open a new terminal, it's not gonna go to the fish directly. That is because I have to reboot first to make that happen. So let's go ahead and reboot first. Alright guys, so I have rebooted my system, and if I open a terminal, and you're gonna see that it has this fast fetch. By the way, if you type fast and press enter, it's gonna show the same thing. Show that. Okay guys, let me just quickly change the home page. So go to Firefox settings, go to home, then select Firefox home. Now if I open a new browser, and it's gonna take me to the Firefox home page. Okay, so this is it guys. You can use 4 fingers. Let's see, I have 3 or 4 workspaces open, and I can use 4 fingers and swipe up to open all of these workspaces. Let's say I've opened multiple windows like that, and I can navigate through them just swiping my fingers, 3 fingers, left to right, or 4 fingers, zoom in or zoom out the workspaces and other stuff. And we have Conky running over here, and then some stuff over here. Alright guys, so this is it. I hope you like this customization. And by the way, one more important thing, that is if you press F7, it's gonna change a random wallpaper. And also, let me show you, go to your home directory and go inside walls, and over here, whichever wallpaper you put inside this folder, and if you press F7, it's gonna apply a random wallpaper, and your wallpapers are gonna be there as well. So yeah, this is the folder where you put all of your wallpapers, and press F7 to change them whenever you want. It's pretty cool, guys. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like this customization, and thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for getting the membership. I really appreciate this, guys. And I will come up with more customization ideas. So see you in the next video.